So students, let's begin with our question answers. So it is given right short answers. The first question is, why can we not see the whole earth at one go? Observe a globe and rotate it to write your answer. So when we see the earth, why we cannot see the whole earth at one go only? Why we need to rotate it? So the answer is, we cannot see the earth at one go because it is round in shape. Now the next question, why do sailors use a compass? Sailors use a compass to find their way in huge and deep oceans. Now let's proceed towards the next question. Why are maps more convenient for students? So the answer is, maps are more convenient for students as they can be hanged on the wall and everybody can see them clearly. So why the maps are more convenient? Because we don't need to rotate it again and again, and we can just hang them on the wall and everybody can see it clearly. Maps can also show small details of the place. So in the globe you cannot see all details about the place, but maps consist of small details also, and it also contains the big details also of a particular place. Now the next, it is given, answer the following question, the long questions. What are continents? Large land masses are called continents, and there are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Now, so students, now proceed towards the next question. What is the difference between a wall map and an atlas? So we have to differentiate between a wall map and an atlas. So the answer is, a wall map is a big map which can be used to see things properly by hanging on wall. So you can just take a wall map, and it is a big map, and just hang them on the wall so that you can see everything clearly. Now an atlas is a book of maps. It consists of many small maps. So students, when the maps are available to you in the form of pages, and you can just make a small book of those maps, which is called an atlas. Now the next part is, what are oceans? Name the largest ocean. So the answer is, the very large water bodies are called oceans, and there are 5 oceans. They are like, and there are, okay, they are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. And which is the largest one? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Now, the last question, what is a compass? A compass is used to find directions. It looks like a watch and is used by the sailors to find their way in the huge and deep oceans. So we all know that compass helps to find the direction, and they are used by sailors to find their way in huge and deep oceans, and it look like watch, and also the needle of the compass always points towards the north. So students, these were your question answers. I hope you all have understood them.